Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Amna Iqbal is here. I hope you all are good and doing very well. वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ज़हरा इंग्लिश अकेडमी। अगर अभी तक आप लोगों ने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से जाके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और शेयर करना बिल्कुल भी नहीं भूलता। टुडे वी विल गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द अमेजिंग टॉपिक दैट वाज इज एज इफ, how we will use and where we will use. So let's start the video in detail, and one by one we will discuss their rules and how we will use them, their sentence structure, examples, each and everything in detail. So video ko last tak देखिएगा. The first one, we should know that how we will use as if. What is the meaning of as if? As if meaning गोया जैसा कि. Clear? So the meaning of list is of as if we will use like गोया या फिर जैसा कि. Clear? In two sense we will use the word as if. And the second one is, अब अगर हम बात करते हैं इन उर्दू, we can easily identify through these words. In English we can identify through these two words, as and if. The first one rule is, you have to know that in Urdu it doesn't matter which tense is used. If in Urdu sentences present tense is used or past tense is used, while you are translating these Urdu sentences into English, you have to use past tense. Clear? We will always use in, while we are using as and if, we will always use past tense. Clear? Doesn't matter in Urdu sentences present tense use or past tense is used, you have to use past tense. Clear? And the third one is, we will use after as and if. After as and if we will always use word. Clear? And why and where we will use, we will discuss in detail. After as if. Clear? After as if we will use word. Clear? And where we will use word? If there is no action. Clear? अगर दो सेंटेंस में कोई काम नहीं हो रहा, we are just about talking at giving information and introduction about the things, there is no action, there is no performing and receiving of the work of the verb, then we will use word. Clear? अगर फिक्र में किसी किस्म का कोई काम नहीं हो रहा, जस्ट हम इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं, इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहे हैं, तो तब हमने क्या यूज करना है? वर्ड यूज करना है आफ्टर एज एंड इफ. Clear? This is a condition and where we will use word. And the next scenario is after as and if. After as and if we will use had. Clear? And where we are using the word had? If there is an action. Clear? If there is action in the sentence, then we are using the word had. Clear? While we are using the word had, after had we will always use third form of word. Clear? Due to had, after had we will use third form of word. Had we will use if there is an action in the sentence. Clear? So let's see what is the sentence sequence. Clear? We will not use, never use, like was, is am, are. Clear? We will never ever use was, is, am, are. We will always use were. Clear? Always use were. Clear? So the next one is, we will always use past tense. Past tense, as if we will use verb. After as if we will use had plus third form of verb. Clear? If there is an action and there is no action, then we are using verb. We will never ever use was, is, am, are. We will always use only and only verb. Clear? So let's see the sentence sequence. If we are using all these rules and applying all these rules, what is the sentence sequence? The sentence sequence will be, we will use subject, then past tense. Clear? After past tense, we will use as if. After as if, we will use subject. After subject, we will use verb. Otherwise, we can use had plus third form of verb and then object. Clear? Let's repeat the formula. Subject, clear? Then past tense. Then we are using as if. Again subject. Then verb. Verb या फिर हम यूज करेंगे had plus third form of verb. And last one we will use object. Clear? This is the sentence structure and sentence sequence. Let's see some example and practice and apply all these rules. वो इस तरह से गाड़ी चला रहा था कि गोया वो पागल है. ठीक है? तो अब हमने यहाँ पे हमें फर्स्टली वी विल आइडेंटिफाई द वर्ड गोया. क्लियर? एज इफ की ट्रांसलेशन में हमने कहा था गोया या फिर जैसा कि वी विल फाइंड दीज टू वर्ड्स इन उर्दू सेंटेंसेस. सो वो इस तरह से चला रहा था. यहाँ पे किसी चीज का चिल्लाना नहीं, जस्ट येलिंग एंड क्राइंग है. चला रहा था. यहाँ पे कौन सा टेंस यूज हुआ है? चला रहा था. पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. वो इस तरह से चला रहा था कि गोया वो पागल है. इन द सेकेंड पार्ट यू विल सी दैट there is only introduction and information, simple sentence, there is no tense. Clear? While I am speaking that there is no use of any tense, there is no action. वो पागल है. This is a simple sentence. वो एक simple sentence है, इसमें tense नहीं है. There is no action, there is no use of any tense. Clear? वो इस तरह से चला रहा था. While there in this sentence section we can find the we can find the tense. वो इस तरह से चला रहा था. He was crying in such a manner. He was crying in such a manner. Clear? He was crying in such a manner कि गोया. अब हम क्या राइट करेंगे? As if. Clear? We had used of the subject and then past tense, then as if. After as if we will use subject. Subject he. पागल है. There is no action, that's why we are using verb. Clear? He were mad. Clear? The next one is वो ऐसे ही नजर आता था कि गोया वो मासूम है. वो ऐसे नजर आता था. This is the only use of past indefinite tense. Clear? कि गोया वो मासूम है. वो मासूम है. Again there is no action and there is no use of any tense. Clear? वो ऐसे ही नजर आता था. sorry, he looked like that as if, clear, he looked like that as if वो मासूम है. Again there is no action, there is no tense, then we will use he were quite innocent. Clear? The next sentence is वो डर गया गोया कि इसने भूत देख लिया हो. वो डर गया. There is only indefinite tense, past tense. गोया कि इसने भूत देख लिया हो. But after this, in the second section of the sentence, you can find that इसने भूत देख लिया हो. There is a action performance and there is a tense. Clear? वो डर गया. He frightened. He frightened as if इसने भूत देख लिया हो. He देख लिया हो. He had first we will after had we will always use third form of verb. He frightened as if he had seen the ghost. Clear? The last sentence is वो इस तरह से बातें करता है गोया के बेवकूफ हो. Clear? In the first part you can see that there is the use of present tense. Clear? There is a present tense. करता है बेवकूफ हो. In the second section there is no use of any tense. वो इस तरह से बातें करता है. But our condition is that it doesn't matter in Urdu sentences present tense is used or past sentence is used. We will always use past sentence while we are translating these sentences into English. वो इस तरह से बातें करता है. He talked in such a manner as if के बेवकूफ हो. As he were fool. Clear? As he were fool. I hope you will like the video. If there is any confusion in this video, you can ask any question related to that, about to that in the comment box. If you will like the video, then like, thumbs up, subscribe my channel. मिलते हैं next video में. तब तक